Welcome to week 1 of semester 2 of 2022. We're going to be focusing on analysis and training this week. So we're going to do analysis of the previous work we've done, take a look at what's working, what's not working, do some training on new skills that we want to exhibit in our next production cycle as we make new things for February. And you'll see stuff in the folder along those lines. So in the film class, and all the classes actually, you will see that we're going to talk about leadership options, Skills USA, our club that we do on Fridays, and all students are welcome, and we have room for you. And there is a leadership requirement for this semester. You need to do something above and beyond just classroom activities. We'll talk about lists and options that you can do, but definitely being a part of a Skills USA organization will satisfy all that. Film class, I just want you to watch a movie and take a look at Letterboxd. And let's see, updating the project tracking sheet. We're going to do that in all classes as well, setting new goals for February. And then we're going to be taking a look at pre-production, all the things that we normally do, making a list of tasks, setting some goals, building our Trello boards, building our list of tasks, prioritizing them, Fibonacci numbering them for all of our teamwork. And I want each team to pitch all their stuff, their storyboard, planning, organization, whatever they have. Plus, I want to see their Trello board. I want everybody to, in front of everybody, I want you to just project up on the screen so that we can see that. And that'll be due this week. And that's going to be similar to, film and game design are very similar because we're doing mostly teamwork in those classes. And what I'm going to do is click over here on School of Rock. And School of Rock, we're going to continue working on our microphone recording project. I will be recording students in the recording studio for that. You have some options on making a new composition. We'll talk about that. We're going to have 3 projects going during February. You're working on a music composition, learning more about music stuff, and that's an independent project and or collaborative. I'll leave it up to you. And you're going to be practicing an instrument. That is what the session 3 blog post is about. You set some goals to learn more about your particular instrument. We're going to continue working on that. I have new resources for you. And like I said, the microphone project. And all these will be due at the end of the month. We'll talk about that. We'll update our tracking sheet. And that is it. Welcome to semester 2.